The Hoylu Toolbox is your centralized widget for navigating and editing your workspace. Hoylu's goal is to simplify complex projects. We believe that your digital tools should be just as intuitive and ergonomic as pen and paper. With your tools placed at your fingertips, we strive to eliminate the use of too many nested menus, drop-downs, and sidebars. Your toolbox allows you to navigate the workspace with the Move tool. You can add content with the sticky note, pen and text tools, and you can edit content with the selection tools, including the lasso and harpoon.